Are you looking to satisfy your sweet tooth with the best rasgullas in Kolkata? Look no further. Kolkata is renowned for its delectable Bengali sweets, and the rasgulla is one of its most beloved delicacies. Today we'll take you on a tour of the top 6 shops in Kolkata that serve the most exquisite rasgullas. Our first stop is Nobin Chandradas and Sons at 77 Jatindra Mohan Avenue, Soa Bazaar, Shobha Bazaar, which has been serving rasgullas since the 19th century. Despite the passage of time, they are still one of the city's best rasgulla makers, offering various flavors, including their speciality, the orange-flavored rasgullas. Our second stop is Balaram Malik and Radharaman Malik Sweets. They are famous for their high-quality sweets, especially their rasgullas. A trip to Kolkata is incomplete without trying their exquisite rasgullas. They are at 2 Padapukur Road, Jadubapur Bazaar, Bhawanipur, Kolkata. Chitranjan Mishtan Bhandar is our third stop, famous for its spongy and mouth-watering rasgullas. This sweet shop, located in AV School, 34B, Shyam Bazar Street, near Hathi Bagan, has been selling sweets for over a century and is considered one of the best rasgulla shops in the city. Our fourth stop is Mithai Sweet Bakery and Cake Shop, which is well known throughout Kolkata for its high-quality sweets. They excel in making rasgullas, and you must try their Kamala Bhog, Orange and Raj Bhog rasgullas for a flavorful experience. Located at 48B, Syed Amir Ali Avenue, Lower Range, Beg Bagan, Baliganj, Kolkata. Our fifth stop is Bhim Chandranag, a small shop located at 6 Strand Road, Fairley Place, Bara Bazaar, with a small brand value, but their rasgullas are outstanding in terms of taste and quality. Almost everyone in Kolkata with a sweet tooth has visited this shop at least once. Our final stop is Hindustan Sweets, with many outlets across the city, particularly in South Kolkata. This shop is renowned for its fusion sweets, and their Jaggery Rasgulla, Kamala Bhog and Raj Bhog are among the best sweets you can find in Kolkata. One of the outlets is located at 58-1 Jadavpur Central Road, Jadavpur, Kolkata. And that concludes our tour of Kolkata's top 6 rasgulla shops. Don't forget to try each one of them and let us know which one you liked the most in the comments below. Until next time, happy eating!